New Jersey has now lost 2,350 lives to the coronavirus outbreak, as the number of infected residents climbed to at least 61,850 Sunday, with 3,733 new positive cases and 168 new deaths announced.
We've lost another 168 fellow New Jerseyans to COVID-19 related complications, bringing our statewide total to 2,350, Gov. Phil Murphy said in a tweet Sunday.
The governor did not hold a briefing with the media on the coronavirus outbreak on Easter Sunday.
There were 7,604 people hospitalized in New Jersey with confirmed or suspected coronavirus cases, with 1,914 of the patients in critical care or intensive care, as of 10 p.m. Saturday, according to the State Department of Health.
The state has 1,644 patients on ventilators, which is about 56% of the total capacity for the life-saving machines. In addition, 658 patients have been discharged from hospitals in the last 24 hours.
The latest numbers include 64,885 negative tests for coronavirus.
It's difficult to get a complete picture of exactly how many people in New Jersey currently have COVID-19 because the state is testing only symptomatic residents, and officials say test results can be delayed for up to 14 days due to a backlog. The state also is not reporting significant increases in daily testing, so it is unclear exactly how quickly the virus is spreading.
The partial county-by-county breakdown of cases includes
another 1,274 cases and 2 deaths remain under investigation to determine where the person resides.
Coronavirus Resources, Live Map Tracker, Businesses that are open, homepage.
Earlier in the day, Murphy downplayed the chances that he'll begin to lift strict lockdown orders he put in place to battle the pandemic as soon as the beginning of May.
Any sort of an economic reopening or recovery depends first and foremost on a complete healthcare recovery, Murphy said on CBS, Face the Nation.
Getting that sequencing right, I think based on the data and the facts that we're seeing, is incredibly essential, and that if we either transpose those steps or we start to get back on our feet too soon, I fear based on the data we're looking at, that we could be throwing gasoline on the fire, the governor added. I'm all for the economic recovery. But it's got to be on the back of a full health care recovery.
Murphy said he's having discussions with our neighboring states on the whole question of testing, contact tracing. What are the rules of the road going to be for things like bars and restaurants?
In all, the governor has issued 24 executive orders to help slow coronavirus outbreak.
As of Sunday morning, the virus had infected nearly 1.8 million people across the globe, according to a running tally by Johns Hopkins University. Of those, more than 110,000 have died and more than 412,000 have recovered.
Tell us your coronavirus stories, whether it's a news tip, a topic you want us to cover, or a personal story you want to share.
If you would like updates on New Jersey-specific coronavirus news, subscribe to our Coronavirus in NJ newsletter.
Sign up for text message alerts from NJ.com on coronavirus in New Jersey.
Matt Arco may be reached at marco@njadvancemedia.com. Follow him on Twitter at Matthew Arco or Facebook.
Have a tip? Tell us. NJ.com/tips.
Get the latest updates right in your inbox. Subscribe to NJ.com's newsletters.